Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add a Spotify profile picture to your account on your phone. Really simple and easy to do. So you just want to head over to Spotify and open it up. So you just need to log in if you're not logged in already. Once you're logged in, you can go to the top right corner and you see the settings symbol. So just click on the settings symbol, and then at the very top you're going to see your profile there. So you just want to click on view profile. And then once you're here, you can just click on Edit Profile, and then you'll have the option to change photo. So just click on Change Photo, and I'll just choose one from the library here. And I'll just find a quick picture here. Just click on Choose, and then Save. And it's easy as that. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.